2026 BMW 330i remains the benchmark for compact luxury by focusing on sharp rear-wheel drive dynamics and clutter-free cockpit. Standard with 255 horsepower turbo, 4, and massive dual screens, this entry-level executive sedan proves you don't need the top trim to have a spirited drive. Adding the M Sport package transforms the aesthetic with aggressive aero and adaptive suspension without losing its understated class. That's the claim. That's what BMW wants you to believe. But here's the real question. In 2026, when everything is turbocharged, digitized, hybridized, and optimized by algorithms, can a rear-wheel drive sports sedan still feel pure? Because for decades, the 3 Series has been the benchmark. Not the flashiest, not the most powerful, but the one you buy if you actually care about driving. Today we are investigating whether the benchmark still deserves its title. Has BMW preserved the magic? Or has software quietly taken over the soul? By the end of this video, we're gonna find out. Under the hood sits a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four, pushing 255 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic. No unnecessary complexity. On paper, that might not sound wild in 2026. But here's the thing. This isn't a horsepower war car. It's a balance car. 0 to 60 happens in the low 5-second range. Quick enough to feel serious. Not so quick that it overwhelms the chassis. And because the power goes to the rear wheels, the character is fundamentally different from front-biased competitors. There's weight transfer, there's squat, there's that slight sensation of the car pushing itself forward rather than being dragged. It feels right, but let's stop talking numbers. Let's see what it actually does. Brake, throttle, release. No theatrics, no overdramatic launch control sequence. The rear digs in, minimal wheel spin, and it just surges forward with smooth urgency. What stands out isn't brutality, it's composure. The throttle response is crisp without being jumpy. The transmission snaps off clean shifts. The power delivery feels linear. But here's where things get interesting. The car feels almost too sorted. There's this subtle sense that the chassis is anticipating what you're about to do. And that's because it probably is. Add the M Sport package, and things sharpen slightly. The adaptive suspension firms up in sport mode. Steering response tightens. The car sits a little more aggressively on its wheels. Visually, it looks more serious. But here's what's important. It doesn't lose its composure. Some sport packages turn daily drivers into stiff, uncomfortable machines. The 330i doesn't. It simply amplifies what's already there. More edge, same balance. The 2026 330i runs on BMW's latest centralized chassis computing system. It doesn't just react to your inputs, it predicts them. When you turn the steering wheel, the system is monitoring. Steering angle, steering rate, throttle position, yaw movement, lateral forces, and then it adjusts the dampers, stability system, and electronic limited slip differential in milliseconds. That doesn't mean it's fake, but it does mean the car is helping you look very good. It's like driving with a silent co-driver who knows exactly how a perfectly balanced 3 Series should behave. Is that cheating, or is that evolution? Let's push harder. This is where the 3 Series earns or loses its reputation. Fast sweepers, mid-corner bumps, imperfect pavement, turn in. The nose responds immediately, no hesitation, no lazy front end. Mid-corner, the car feels neutral, balanced, almost perfectly 50-50 in character. Add throttle on exit and you feel the rear settle and push. There's rotation available if you want it, but it never feels unpredictable. And here's the magic. Right at the limit, there's a tiny, almost imperceptible movement from the rear axle. A subtle squirm, not instability, just communication. That's the difference between a car that feels alive and a car that feels sterile. Compared to the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the BMW feels lighter on its feet. Compared to the Audi A4, it feels more rear-biased and playful. This is what benchmark means. Yes, it's electric power steering. No, it's not hydraulic purity from the early 2000s. But it's better than most modern systems. There's progressive weight buildup. There's feedback over rough surfaces. There's precision off-center. And crucially, it doesn't feel artificial. BMW has blended real road feedback with subtle haptic tuning. So, while software is involved, the sensation at your fingertips feels authentic. You forget about the electronics within minutes. You just drive. That's the goal. At highway speeds, the 330i transforms. The cabin is quiet. Wind noise is well controlled. The engine hums softly in the background. Adaptive cruise works smoothly. Lane assistance feels unobtrusive. And here's where the clutter-free cockpit comes into play. BMW's dual curved screens dominate the dashboard, but the layout is clean. There's no overwhelming mess of physical buttons, no confusing clutter, just a focused, driver-oriented environment. The display is sharp, the interface is responsive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integrate seamlessly. Yet, despite the tech, the driving position remains low and sporty. You feel connected, not perched. It's refined without being disconnected. The 2026 330i doesn't try to be a rolling lounge. It's still a cockpit. High-quality materials, solid door thuds, clean trim. The steering wheel feels substantial. The seating position is spot on. And importantly, the layout prioritizes the driver. The massive dual screens look modern, but they don't overwhelm the cabin. The 3 Series has always walked a fine line between sport and practicality. Rear seat space is solid for the segment. Legroom is usable for adults. The trunk offers competitive storage. It's not the roomiest car in the class, but it's far from cramped. And because the chassis tuning remains comfortable in its default setting, it doesn't punish you for daily driving. Even with the M Sport adaptive suspension, the ride is firm but controlled. You feel the road, but you're not beaten up by it. So, let's step back. In 2026, compact luxury sedans are fighting on multiple fronts: tech, efficiency, comfort, brand prestige. But the 330i focuses on one core identity: rear-wheel drive dynamics. Not the fastest, not the most powerful, not the flashiest, but the most cohesive. Does software play a role in how good it feels? Absolutely. Is the steering assisted by advanced algorithms? Of course. But here's the thing. The outcome is what matters. And the outcome is a sedan that still rotates naturally, feels balanced mid-corner, delivers predictable oversteer at the limit, transitions smoothly between comfort and sport. That combination is rare. So, does the 2026 BMW 330i remain the benchmark for compact luxury sports sedans? Yes, it does. It may be more digital than older generations. It may rely on smarter computers than ever before, but the essence remains intact. Sharp rear-wheel drive dynamics. A clean, focused cockpit. Enough power to excite without overwhelming. An M Sport package that enhances rather than compromises. You don't need the top trim to enjoy it. You don't need massive horsepower numbers to have fun. And that's exactly why it still leads the segment. The 2026 BMW 330i doesn't chase extremes. It perfects balance. And in a world obsessed with numbers and screens, balance is what truly defines a benchmark.